Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about this piece of software to create stunning social media posts to promote your brands. Maybe you are a creative entrepreneur, you want to grab the attention of your audience on social media, and you want to create something quick and easy. Then maybe this software is right for you. It is called Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is an integrated suite of media creation applications for mobile and web developed by Adobe. It has 3 design features: Spark Post, Spark Video, and Spark Page. Spark Post is like a simple version of Photoshop. You can create Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Pinterest pins, or other customizable images like YouTube thumbnail that I'm creating right now. Spark Video is more like iMovie. It helps you to tell your story using their guidelines. Spark Page is like a Wix page builder. It allows you to compose a web page in a few minutes. The free version is already very good. I don't think you will need the paid version anytime soon. If your needs are very simple, you just want a Facebook post or Instagram post, that's all, then you can very well use the free version and you can purchase the paid version as a standalone subscription, or you can use a package like the Adobe Creative Cloud plan. That if you already have a plan like that, you can log in as you and you can access the premium features like templates, fonts, and you can also add your own logo watermarks to unify the branding image. That is also a very cool feature, and it does a lot of different things, and I think it's a really powerful tool that is free. You don't need to put your credit card information if you don't want to, and I just created this pretty much just logging in using my Gmail account. Who is it for? I think number one, it is for non-technical people. If you really couldn't use Photoshop or those kind of softwares that is too much for you, then you can use Spark. That is very easy to use. I think even a 6-year-old could use that. And it's perfect for students and teachers to use in a K-12 education environment. It's perfect because schools could use it for free, and your school maybe already have license. You just log in and you can share projects and you can review each other's works, and it's all well protected and it's children friendly. And it's also good for travelers who have an unexpected situation, like maybe suddenly your computer broke and you really need to make a social media post without having your own computer software, and you have to go to a library or internet cafe. You can use Spark as a web browser, so you don't need to install anything. You just log in and start creating. There are a few problems though with Spark. First of all, I think it makes you lazy, and I don't want to say it in a bad way, but yes, it makes you lazy because it's so easy to use. It's in your comfort zone. It stops you from trying to learn new things like Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, which I think are essential to any creative entrepreneurs, to creative people. You need to use professional tools to expand your horizon, but Spark kind of prevents you from using those kind of professional tools. Number 2 is kind of childish. Maybe it's not really right for business. If you want to promote something expensive like art courses, professional courses, it's not really cool for adults. I mean, it's great for children, but who wants to look like this? And it's like so cheeky, so cheesy, so Instagrammy. Maybe I'm too old for this, but maybe for millennials it's perfect. Wait a second, am I a millennium? It's a bit too childish, personally speaking. Last but not the least, there are limited features, especially with the free plan. There are just a few templates and there are a few kind of fonts. And if you want to achieve a specific look and feel, you might not be able to because of the limitation that it has. Of course, it is for free and I understand the limitation, but if I want to achieve specifically this with alpha channeling, with the drop shadow, with the stroke, and I just can't have have those options. I haven't paid yet, so maybe the paid options are a lot more freely. You can design anything you want, but the free options are quite limited, personally speaking. So I think I would rather use Photoshop, but I had fun playing with Spark, and I was playing for hours and just trying out new things. And it was fun. If you don't use Photoshop, you don't know how to use Photoshop, then perfect. I think it can solve you a lot of problems. What do you think of Spark? Would you like to try it? Let me know in the comment below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.